This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Maury Finkelstein. First floor 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. Open kitchen with newer appliances. Crown molding and ceramic tile throughout adds a touch of elegance and easy maintenance. Unwind and enjoy a peaceful evening on your large, private enclosed patio. This vibrant community boasts a clubhouse buzzing with daily activities. Dive into the pool, invigorate yourself in the sauna, or perfect your putt on the putting green. Stay fit in the fitness center or take advantage of the convenient courtesy bus. This Central Lake Worth location puts you close to an abundance of dining and shopping options. For more information, review the details below.